sa pagdating sa Meralco. Kaya hindi pwedeng mali. Kaya mga estudyante sa theater arts, alam nila, pag after the grace period, close na lang yung pinto, mag-invite sa labas. Because you have to be early. You have to relax. Diba pag, honestly, pag maaga kayo, yung mga nag-theater arts, pag maaga kayo chill ng lahat, di ba? Wala na kayo problema. Kasi okay, nakababa na yung bag ko. Hindi ako nagmamadali sa dito ko. Yun yung purpose. Relaxation. So the directors, you have to make sure, para hindi rin makain ng time nyo, have someone, like what I did with Transibuse. Before I arrived into the school, ako, sino magaling mag-exercise ito? Apple, okay ka, Apple. Make sure pagdating mo dito, naka-warm up na sila. Si the musical director, the Luna, make sure, nag-vocalize na yan. Or pagdating mo sa stage na. Ganun. Para di, yun, if you can do it earlier, better. Because your performers won't be able to perform well if they don't relax. Nung nag-finals ang theater arts, I think we were early from the time, di ba? Late lang yung ibang, late lang yung mga some people were late, but we were early. We were really early. So chill na lang sa likod doon, diba? Or gano'n na lang kami. So they were relaxed. So they were able to perform. Okay? Yun. Concentration. Kaya ba some students? Theater arts. Ang mga theater arts. Tayo. Sige, kayo. Ayaw mo ka tumayo, di ba? Ganda mo. Here. Sige. Here. One line. One line. One line. Okay. Waiting students. Hindi, diyan ka din. Okay. Theater arts. Ay, tagal. So, look at the theater arts. Okay, gumalaw. Okay, gumalaw. Here. Pero may gawin mo. Here, here. If you're like this, sa pasok, ano gagawin ko dyan? Ano? Diba? O dear, ikaw. Ayaw mo. Kala nyo. Okay. Okay na ba? Wala na ba? So, look at them. How does it feel? Ganyan na ginagawa nyo. Okay lang? Okay lang sa inyo? Hindi kayo conscious? Sakto lang. Kung pagpalitin ko kayo, gusto nyo? Okay kayo, palit? Bakit hindi? Bakit hindi? Because if you're just like this on stage, hindi nyo anong gagawin nyo. Hindi kayo concentrate kung anong gagawin nyo. Kakabahan talaga kayo. Right? Remember that exercise? First day? So do whatever you want. Now, go. In order for... Sige. Alright. So, on stage, if you're just standing up and you don't know what you're supposed to do, mawawala talaga kayo. But here, if you do something which we call stage business, on stage, you wouldn't care for the audience. Alright? Because you know what you're supposed to do. Right? Okay? And, yun. So, ganyan kakapal mo kayo. Okay lang yan. So, one thing for you to concentrate on what you're supposed to do. Kasi yun na nagpapakaudio sa inyo. Ay, naku, siguro mukha akong ganito, mukha akong ganyan, or Ano kaya sasabihin nila if you're concentrating on that, then that's the wrong thing to concentrate on. We have to concentrate on what we're supposed to do. Okay? Diyan lang kayo sa gilid. I will be leading you. Gilid. Okay. Ay, okay. Wow. Okay. Text is basically, you have to read your script. It's very important. Okay? It is important na kahit minsan makalimutan nyo yung lines nyo. If you know who your character is, if you know the story, you will act accordingly. You may sit down there. Okay lang kayo? Okay lang. Sit down there. Okay. So, sige na lang. Doon na nga kayo. Okay. So, later one by one. Okay. So, when we did Francesco, kasabayan niya yung finals nila ng theater arts. Yeah, remember yun? Kasabayan niya. October 4 yung show, October 3. And we did it 1.5 weeks. A 60-page script. We're able to do, na kinap namin yung songs, naging 40 pages, and yet, it's English. When we perform it, it was Spanish for 1.5 weeks. One is, I had trained directors already. After I directed it, binidyo namin, pag wala sila, isa ka video. The directors, my assistant directors, are not my co-directors my assistant directors, sila nag-manage during pag wala ako. And then, by the time, and the actors they had the script, they had to drop it. Unang rehearsals pa lang. Kasi nabasa nila sa bahay, right? You know what the story is about, right? You know what's important, drop it. Improvise. So every time nagre-rehearse sila, medyo nagbabago yung lines nila. English yung script, pero Taglish yung performance nila. And they were able to do it for 1 hour. The whole play was 1 hour. For 1.5 week practice. Still many things to work on, but they were able to do it because they know the script by heart. Okay. So important in text. This one, circumstances. Give the circumstances. Who are you in the play? Okay. Who are you in the play according to the description of the script? Who are you according to the other characters? Right? Example, si Isay kay Galit, diba? May prejudice na kagad, diba? Parang gano'n. So, anong reaction mo? Anong ibang characters sa'yo? Anong sinasabi ng ibang characters sa'yo? Anong relationship nyo sa ibang characters? That's who you are. What are you doing? That's stage business. If you don't know what you're doing on stage, like what I told one person before, get down from the stage, you're wasting my time. Alright? If you don't know what to do on stage, get down from there. You're wasting my time. That's it. You have to know why you're there. You do not drop character if you're on stage. If you drop the character, you're not performing, you're not doing it correctly. Where are you? Where will save you? No, I gave an activity sa Lourdes last week. Last week they had a workshop. I asked them, so last week, I asked them without telling them kung sino sila, 5 sila. First time sila pag-workshop. Nasa school bus kayo. Go. And they were able, isa automatic yung unang pumasok siya yung driver. Hindi sila nag-usap. If you know where you are, you will act accordingly. Example, pag sinabi ko toilet, sige, ano gagawin niyo sa toilet? Automatic, right? You know what to do there. Bathroom. Kitchen. Pareho ba ang kitchen sa dining room? Hindi, di ba? Entertainment compare sa classroom. Same? No, right? Where will save you? So you have to know where you are. Is that clear? Let's give it. Usually nasa script yan. Where? Nasa wingwang ng hubad. Where? Nasa bahay, nilagisay. Ganyan. When? What What's the time frame? Is it morning? Is it afternoon? Is it evening? Siyempre, pag morning, minsan nanatok pa kayo, right? Diba pag evening, malapit na. Or afternoon. Iba yung energy nyo. Iba yung character and energy ng character nyo. When also period, if it's a period play, except for once upon a time, siyempre medyo, that's vague. It's a fairy tale, right? Mo ka na lang dyan. Alright, but usually like, is it antiquarian, meaning, is it, all the time, is it medieval? Minsan lahat yun, pati sa costume, even the way you act. Siyempre, medieval era, iba yung princess ang dating, di ba? Compared to ngayon, right? So when is also important with the play. So those who are given, how are you going to act this out? How are you supposed to act it out? Kung paano mo kayo naglalakas? What is you know what you're supposed to do, pero how will you do it? Right? I'll give you a very bad example. Like last week, the first time, okay, kunyari naiiwan kayo ng friend nyo. Ano gagawin nyo? So lahat, most of yung mga bago, they would go sit down. Huwagan sila. Okay, get out. Lang. Ulit. Isipin nyo. Yun. Best friend ko, lang kayo iyak ng gano'n. Honestly, hindi pa pwedeng, yung isa was very gano'n, yes, alis ka na! Gano'n talaga siya. Yung ba gano'n? Yung, pero yung iiyak kayo kasi that's the normal thing to do. Honestly. Yung isa, yung neto na ano na sila, okay, one was like, was walking slowly, and then she was like, ganyan. She wasn't crying. Right? How you're supposed, yes, you know what you're supposed to do. How will you do it? Right? That's a difference. Are we good? Real circumstances, basically, kung ano nakikita nyo? Table, prop, sets. That's it. Real. What's real? Imaginary, si Isay, kumain ng papaya. Lang nahimatay. Right? Yun. Bakit? Pag kumain pa kayo ng papaya, nahimatay ka. Right? Hindi, diba? So there's something imaginary about it. Right? You have to pretend something. That's the imaginary circumstances. Or Juliet has a dagger. Diba? Hindi naman siya mamimatay. Diba? Yun. Alright? Don't die with a dagger. Right? I mean, don't die on stage. You're not supposed to die. Alright? Are we good? Okay. And by the way, ano lang ha, pag may mga mirror na naman ha, make sure hindi itong mirror ha. Baka mabasag kasi. Whether or not installation o hindi. Imaginary. Make sure, ano lang, okay na yung ano. Alright, yun ang imaginary circumstances. Are we good? Sorry, I can't see your class. Sorry, we have to do it like a class. So, next one. Okay. Super objective. What is your objective for the whole day as a character? Hamlet, he needs to avenge his father's death. Okay? So, everything that he has to do in the play works toward the super objective. That's for the whole day. Super objective. Objective is first scene. First scene. What's your objective for this scene? For this scene, I have to make sure I invite this, like in Hamlet, I will invite these performers. They have to perform it for my uncle because I need him to confess. That's my yun. So super objective for the whole day. Objective is first scene. Obstacles. What are the things that hinders you? What hinders your characters studies? Right? Example. Si Isay, when one of her hindrances is parang she thinks that because of the color of her skin. If you know Isay, sa Pitong 20, it was the color of her skin. And she feels, correct me if I'm wrong, right? May insecurity siya. That could be an obstacle. May may not be exactly, oh, obstacles din yung mga yung pitong duwende na, ano, mamin, right? But it's not just internal, but it's also external. Those are obstacles. Are we good? This is a little bit tricky. This is more on the lines. If you have time, better. Pero kasi mahirap. But beats can give it more final things. Like, love him, whenever you give up. But when the night is over, diba minsan, you know the song? Am I alright? Love him, whenever I'm learning. That part is, when she sings that, it's already hopelessness, right? All my life I've only been pretending. That's anger already. It shifts to anger and kulang na gigil. Without him, without me, his world would go on turning. Diba? Medyo, ano na siya, very resolute na siya. The world is full of happiness and I have never known. Until she breaks down. But if you would see the different parts of it, per line has to be different. That's what beats are. So iba pa sa objective, iba pa sa lines. Is that clear? Okay? Those are beats. Correct chords. Okay? Kaya yan, ha? Tawa ka dyan, Zoe. Okay, next one. Alright, choices, magic tip. Choices. Who knows? Kilala niyo si Spider-Man?